here, guys. The iPhone 11 Pro. Space gray. Look how sexy this box look. 512 gigs. I mean, we all know what's inside of these, but let's just see anyway. Oh, it looks so sexy. I don't want to take it out. Look at that matte finish. Ew. Little SIM ejector, Apple stickers, the ear pods, and finally a rapid charger in the box. It's 18 watts. About time, Apple. Well, that's everything that's in the box. I'm scared. It's like all crisp. I guess all the fingerprints. I mean, at least this is matte, so it won't get as many fingerprints now. It's like a frosted glass. Triple cameras. And I got space gray because I figured like the cameras won't look so crazy if it's all black. Or blacked out. All right, I'm gonna go set this up. I'll be back. Hey, I just want to do that quick unboxing. I'm gonna go set it up and play with it. Catch you in the next one.